it started in Wuhan, China, the new coronavirus, COVID-19. And within a few months, the virus has spread globally to more than 100 countries. It is moving at a fast rate and has affected more than 230,000 people, with close to 10,000 deaths as of 7 p.m. on Thursday. Now, in China, over 81,000 people have been infected, with over 3,000 deaths recorded. Italy, over 35,000 cases, over 3,000 deaths. USA, over 11,000 cases, 171 deaths. UK, over 3,000 cases, over 100 dead as of Thursday, March 19. Now, this deadly virus is certainly no respecter of race, color, age, wealth, or social standing. And here in Ghana, we have not been excluded from its wrath. As of March 19, 2020, Ghana had recorded 11 cases. We also lost 3 of our own Ghanaians, 2 in Italy and 1 in Denmark, through this disease. Now, across the globe, many countries have taken drastic measures against this virus. And here in Ghana, the President, Nana Akufo-Addo, and health officials, among others, have also announced certain measures to help stop the spread of the virus in Ghana, including the closure of schools, travel advisory, suspension of public gatherings, including funerals, religious activities such as church services and mosques for 4 weeks, among others. But as this pandemic takes its course, inefficiencies, bad decisions, inactions, and poor judgment will be exposed. According to health officials, one of the efficient ways to protect oneself from the virus is the frequent washing of hands with soap and running water. Now, a few weeks ago, officials of the Ghana Water Company warned about the consequences of the actions of persons engaging in illegal mining on our water bodies and the supply of water to our homes. Now, in times like this, when the provision of essential services are most needed, we are faced with a shortage of water in most parts of the country, and this was created by our own inefficiencies. We cannot continue to be enemies of our own progress by taking one step forward and several others back. For many years, we have been an import-led economy, importing anything from poultry, salt, sugar, and even toothpick. And the majority of these imports are coming from China. For weeks, China has been forced to put on hold these exports because of the pandemic. Imagine if this goes on for some more months. The implications on us as an import-led economy. It is time we take a drastic decision as a country on transforming our economy into an export-led one. Unfortunately, this pandemic will also expose our lack of seriousness in dealing with sanitation and personal hygiene as a people and the enforcement of our local bylaws on sanitation. This time around, our usual attitude of flouting such laws must not be tolerated because it will have dire consequences if we do. Moments of adversity present an opportunity for us to take far-reaching decisions. Our MMDCEs must take steps to implement the President's directives. The way we buy and sell food has to change. Our markets have to be paved and fumigated. Shops must be properly numbered to enhance identification, location, and tracing. Our trotros must observe a more reasonable seat spacing regime. We can no longer do one man, one seat. Now, the GPRTU and lorry stations must show leadership to enforce these new rules to reduce the likelihood of spread via our chaotic public transport system. Nightclubs and eateries must also go beyond the availability of hand sanitizers to deliberately space out their areas of operation. These social distancing initiatives are necessary to ensure that the initial moves gain success. The President and health authorities have issued a number of directives to protect us from spreading the virus. Let us abide by these rules. We need you. Wash your hands, use sanitizers, practice social distancing, and keep safe. This has been Vivian's View. My name is Vivian Kai Loco. Thank you for watching What the Papers Are Saying.